Hello there, Instagram users. In this updated video, we will guide you on how to view your search history in Instagram. Let's dive into the steps of this full guide. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're inside the app, navigate to your profile picture at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and it will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Look for the 3 lines icon at the top right corner of the screen. Give it a tap and a menu will appear. Step 4. From the menu options, select Settings and Privacy. This will open up a new page with various settings. Step 5. Next, locate and tap on Account Center. This section is where you can manage different aspects of your Instagram account. Step 6. Inside the Account Center, find and tap on Your Information and Permissions. This is where you can control the information associated with your account. Step 7. Finale. Scroll down and tap on Search History. Congratulations! You've successfully accessed your search history on Instagram. That's it. Now you can explore your past searches and reminisce about those funny cat videos or delicious food posts you stumbled upon. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy scrolling.